make a
I
motion?
would, Mr. Chairman, and thank you to all the testifiers for coming to testify today. This is an issue, I believe it's a very serious problem. I really wish that our colleagues on the other side of the aisle had remained for this meeting, because I'm sure that the line of questioning would have been much different. And I would have liked to have heard those questions, and I would have liked to have heard the answers, because I think it would have contributed to the whole situation. I think it was Attorney Clymer that said something, and I'm going to paraphrase, but it was something along the lines of, she is a servant of the law and not the master of the law. I think that says it best. She's a servant of the law, not the master of the law. Now, all of the testifiers that we've heard today are attorneys. Many of the, or at least some of the members of this committee are attorneys. And they are the experts when it comes to the law. I'm not an attorney. I like to think of myself as being an average guy with hopefully average intelligence. And it really comes down to common sense. It comes down to common sense that, and you know, I don't know whether this, how this is going to move along in terms of impeachment. But what I will say is that we as a legislature had better deliver a message to the Attorney General, to the district attorneys, to the law enforcement community. And hey, I served as a cop for 7 or 8 years back in the 70s, and I wasn't crazy about every law, but I had the duty to enforce every law. And we had better deliver a message to them that it is not up to you to decide which laws you will enforce. Because if we allow that to happen, we are on a very, very slippery slope. Mr. Chairman, I thank you for the opportunity to make those comments, and I thank you for having this hearing today.